Unlock the power of personalized marketing and build deeper customer relationships with Kajabi's robust contact management system. Let's dive into Kajabi Contacts and learn how to master your audience. Turning leads into loyal customers. We'll cover importing, segmenting, tagging, and effective communication first up. Getting your contacts into Kajabi. Navigate to your Kajabi dashboard and click on the Contacts tab then. Select Import Contacts. You'll have the option to upload a CSV file. Make sure your CSV is properly formatted with clear headers like first name, last name, and email. It's crucial to map each column accurately to the corresponding field in Kajabi to avoid errors. Once you've uploaded and mapped your data, Kajabi will process the import. You'll see your new contacts appear in your list, ready for organization. Now that your contacts are in, let's make them work for you through segmentation and tagging. Tags are like labels you can apply to your contacts to categorize them. For example, you could tag contacts interested in a specific course with Course X interest, or tag customers who have purchased a product with customer product Y. To add a tag, simply select a contact or multiple contacts. Then click the Add Tag option and create a new tag or choose an existing one. Segmentation allows you to group contacts based on specific criteria, like tags, purchase history, or engagement level. This is where the real personalization begins. Go to Contacts, and then Segments. Here, you can build powerful custom segments. For instance, create a segment for all customers who bought Course X and live in California. This granular control is key for targeted campaigns. Finally, let's talk about communicating with your audience using these powerful tools. With your contacts segmented and tagged, you can now craft highly relevant marketing messages from the Contacts tab. You can initiate email broadcasts or set up automated email sequences. When creating an email, you'll have the option to send it to your entire contact list, a specific segment, or even contacts with particular tags. This ensures your message reaches the right people at the right time, significantly boosting engagement and conversions. Remember, effective contact management isn't just about storing data. It's about understanding your audience and building meaningful relationships. Mastering Kajabi Contacts empowers you to personalize your marketing, nurture leads, and ultimately drive sales. Happy organizing and communicating.